friends, it's Miss Vicky from Kiddie Academy in Fontana. So today we have a special activity going on. We will be planting today, planting our own garden. You have the choice of doing it inside or doing it outdoors. The materials that you will be needing for this activity is a pot. If it's not already in your kit, you'll need a pot, some seeds, whatever kind, water, cup of water, a fork, dirt, and that's it. If you're doing this activity outdoors, you can just have your pot and the soil could fall on the grass. If you're doing it indoors, make sure you have a plate because it will get messy. So first thing, you're going to want to add your dirt onto your pot. Then you want to pat it, make sure it's in place. Okay, next, you're going to want to grab your seeds and pour it onto your pot. Next, grab your fork, then just pat, 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 pat. Have a flat surface. And make sure you cover your seeds with the dirt. And last but not least, you will want to water your plant. Make sure you remind mommy and daddy that you need to water your plant once a day. If not, you can do it. And there you go. You planted your own plant. This is a perfect gift for mommy and daddy, especially coming up Mother's Day and Father's Day. And watch it grow.